Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I'll be making red bean mochi. These are the ingredients. The exact measurements are listed in the description box. First, I mixed milk, sticky rice flour, cornstarch, melted butter, and sugar in a bowl. Stir and mix them into a smooth and liquid batter. Then I cover the bowl with plastic wrapper, but leave a gap for the steam to come out. The traditional way is to steam the batter, but I found that a microwave can do the same and it's more convenient. I first put it in the microwave for a minute and a half, took it out and stirred the batter to help the heat distribute more evenly. If you choose to steam the batter, just steam it for 10 to 15 minutes until the batter turns into a solid paste, and you don't need to take it out in the middle. Then I covered it and put it in the microwave for another minute and a half. After that, the batter is almost cooked. Here, I'm just looking for if there's any liquid left at the bottom. The dough looks very moist, so I'm going to put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. After microwaving the batter for 3.5 minutes in total, it's completely cooked. Now I'm just smoothing the dough. I then transfer the dough to a new bowl, sealed it with plastic wrapper, and let it cool down. The dough is very sticky when it's hot. Now it's time to make the red bean paste. You can buy the red bean paste from any Asian stores, but it never tastes as fresh as homemade. First, I cleaned the red bean and cooked it using an instant pot with a bean option. Then I strained it. I put the red beans and 50 grams of sugar in a blender and blend it to a smooth paste. At this time, the red bean paste is very wet, so I turned on the stove to medium heat and transferred all the red bean paste to a pan. I then added 1.5 tablespoons of oil and 1 gram of salt. And started mixing them. After about 3 to 4 minutes, the red bean paste absorbed all the oil and becomes less wet than before. This process took me about 6 to 7 minutes, and this is the texture I was looking for. Very smooth but not wet. Now we just need to assemble the red bean mochi. After the dough cools down, it doesn't stick to hands because there is cornstarch in my recipe. If you like a very sticky dough, just substitute cornstarch with sticky rice flour. Here I used 25 grams of dough and 20 grams of the red bean filling to make one mochi. The dough is very stretchy. One technique to make a smooth surface is to keep folding the edge to the center. Repeat this many times and then you will get a smooth surface. And you also want the dough to be thick in the center, but thin on the edge. It's very similar to making a bun. Then I measured 20 grams of the red bean filling and rolled it into a ball. Now I just need to cover the filling with the dough. Stretch the edge to the center and seal it. Glue the dough together. And that will be the bottom of your mochi, so the top will be a smooth surface. And there you have it, the red bean mochi is done. If you have a small paper cup, that would be perfect. In the end, I dusted some powdered sugar to decorate it. The dough is very chewy and smooth. It tastes like gummy candy and marshmallow combined. You can store it in the freezer or leave it out at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. But please do not put it in the refrigerator. That will harden the dough. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.